Hey everyone! Welcome back to Law in Motion, where we break down the law, simplify the complexities, and bring the facts to you. Today's video is going to be a little different but super interesting. We are diving into myths versus reality when it comes to the law. Let's bust some popular misconceptions wide open. Ready to get started? Let's go. Verbal agreements aren't enforceable. How many of you have heard this one? So, we've all been there. You shake hands, make a deal, and think, it's just words, right? Well, surprise. That handshake could be legally binding in court. Yup, your pinky promise may have more power than you think. Here's the reality. Verbal agreements can be legally binding under Indian law. Yes, as long as they meet the 4 golden rules of a valid contract: offer, acceptance, consideration, and intent to create legal relations. Basically, if you've made a genuine deal with these elements, you may need more than "just kidding" to get out of it. Think of it like this: just because there's no paper doesn't mean you can suddenly ghost on the deal like it's a bad Tinder date. The law might just come knocking. But here's the tricky part: proving a verbal agreement. Without witnesses, texts, or emails to back you up, it could turn into a classic "he said, she said" situation in court. So, while the law does recognize verbal agreements, remember, it's your word against theirs. And no one wants to end up in a courtroom battle of who said what. So, pro tip: always try to get things in writing. A simple email, text, or even a napkin contract, yes, those can work too, can save you from a world of legal headaches later. In short, if you make a promise and it's legally solid, don't think you can wiggle out of it just because there's no paper trail. Keep your promises, people. The law sure thinks you should. Now, have you ever been in a sticky situation with a verbal agreement? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're learning something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more legal myths busted. Stick around for the next myth, because we've got a lot more to bust. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Law in Motion for more myth busting and legal insights.